Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Today, we've got something special in store for all you gamers and streamers out there. We're diving into the world of solid-state drives. And we're here to tell you why the fanxiang S101 1TB SSD is the ultimate choice for gaming and streaming enthusiasts. Alright folks, let's jump right into it. When it comes to gaming and streaming, having a reliable and lightning-fast storage solution is absolutely crucial. And that's where the fanxiang S101 1TB SSD shines brighter than the rest. First off, let's talk speed. With read speeds of up to 550 megabytes per second, this SSD ensures that your games load in the blink of an eye and your streams run smoothly without any lag or stuttering. Say goodbye to long loading screens and buffering issues. Now, let's talk about durability. This SSD is built to last, thanks to its 3D NAND TLC chips which offer a longer lifespan compared to traditional hard drives. Whether you're gaming for hours on end or streaming marathons of your favorite shows, you can trust that your data is safe and secure with the fanxiang S101. And let's not forget about compatibility. Whether you're gaming on a desktop, laptop, or even a gaming console, this SSD has you covered. It's compatible with a wide range of devices and operating systems, so you can seamlessly integrate it into your setup without any hassle. So there you have it, folks. If you're serious about gaming and streaming, the fanxiang S101 1TB SSD is the way to go. With its blazing fast speeds, rock-solid reliability, and wide compatibility, it's truly the best SSD for gaming and streaming on the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, happy gaming and happy streaming.